Welcome back to a new video. Today, our Green Chef mascot is making a super easy recipe. Perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthy without complications. Protein pancakes. They're ideal for breakfast, as a pre-workout snack, or even a quick meal. And the best part, they always come out perfect. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. A ripe banana, 1 egg, some oat flour, a scoop of protein powder, and a splash of milk. Simple, healthy ingredients, packed with nutrients that give you steady energy throughout the morning. Let's begin. Crack 1 egg into a bowl. Right after, mash a ripe banana. The banana adds natural sweetness without any added sugar. It's also rich in fiber, which helps digestion and keeps you feeling full. Now add 1 scoop of protein powder. Choose the flavor you like: vanilla, chocolate, yogurt. They all work great. This step is essential if you work out or if you want a more balanced, protein-rich breakfast. Next, add oat flour and a splash of milk. Mix everything until the batter becomes smooth and creamy. If you want fluffier pancakes, add a pinch of baking powder. If you want more protein, add 1 extra egg white. Now heat a non-stick pan and pour the batter. When small bubbles appear on the surface, it's time to flip the pancake. And this is where our Green Chef loves doing the perfect flip. Once they're ready, let's plate them. A beautiful stack of soft, warm pancakes. Top them with fresh fruit, strawberries, blueberries, or banana slices. And if you like, finish with a drizzle of honey or a 0-calorie syrup. With this recipe, you get a meal full of complex carbs for steady energy, proteins that support your muscles, and fiber that helps digestion, all without added sugar. A single serving can easily reach 25 to 35 grams of protein. And that was today's recipe from our Green Chef mascot. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Every week, you'll find new fit, simple and quick recipes. See you next time.